welcome back. Today I'm going to start cutting off all this stuff. Yeah, you just cut all of the welds out all around everything. This I'll cut back here because my engine mount mounts to that, just like how the original one did. So yeah, I'll be keeping that unless I decide I want to just cut this whole thing out and remake this engine mount, but I'll leave it for now. I'll just cut back here and then put a plate. Hopefully it doesn't take as long as I think it will, and I think it's going to take a long time. Okay, that I think is all I'm going to do today, but most of this side cut off. Two of these were already low, but just this one side knocked down the two low ones, a full one, and most of another full one. I'm gonna have to get more cutoff wheels. All right, day 2 of cutting. I'm hoping to get at least this side done. Like I said before, it's almost done. There's still quite a bit though. Hopefully I will be at least started on the other side. I ordered the shock tube, or the shock hoops, to be welded in there when I get the axle under there. I have hardware coming for the leaf mounts, and some other stuff, so hopefully I will be able to start putting in this axle hopefully this week, if not beginning of next week, and then hopefully soon I can put this back on all 4 wheels. That'll be exciting. Okay, I think I got everything cut off that I'm going to. I could cut this back a little further, but there's not really a point. It's not going to get in the way of anything. So now I just need to flap disc all of this stuff, get all of this flat and smoothed out and ground down. Also cut off this bracket right there. So yeah, this side is almost done. Oh, I need to cut off that little piece. Not a huge deal, but get that done and Okay, that's pretty good. I'm gonna weld that on. Sides and we should be good to go. Okay, I think we are all welded. So this side is officially done. Trim stuck on. So yeah, I will weld the shock hoop on when that gets here, tomorrow or the next day, whenever that is. Well, I'll wait to weld that on once we get the axle under, but that'll be the last thing right here. So weld the shock hoop here and here. Okay, doing something different today. Just got back helping my buddy pick up his new project. It was for sale, really close, and way cheaper than any other Delica around. So we picked it up, towed it with his car back to here to work on it and get it running. It's cool little turbo diesel Delica 4-wheel drive. I think it's gonna be sweet when it's running. Needs a lot of bits and pieces and vinyl taken off, like the lights here, and on the sides this crusty vinyl needs to be taken off. But you know, this thing is gonna be super sweet. Really excited for him. I want one of these. It's so cool. Okay, well, it's the end of the week and I did not get as much stuff done as I thought I was going to. But anyway, I got a bunch of parts. So these are little weld-on AN bungs that I'm going to use for the E30 and the oil leak there. Since the ends are steel and it's steel braided, I'll just cut off the ends, weld these on, and then got some line and all these little fittings and stuff. So that should be good. That should take care of the oil leak in the E30. And then I got some stuff for the 4Runner. So these are just some cheap shock tubes. So these will sit something like that. Just weld these on, something like that, and then yeah. And then there's some little reinforcement bars that go back to the frame. And then I also picked these up. These, instead of doing U-bolts, this will go on top of the leaf stack, and then I'm going to weld on little tabs with nuts welded onto them, and then I'll just run bolts. So it's just like a U-bolt eliminator. So yeah, I'll have a nut down here, there, and then just 4 separate bolts. That way nothing is hanging down low. Don't have to worry about it. Don't have to buy U-bolts that are super expensive. It's gonna have to buy these anyway, so might as well just do that. And then like this one will, I'm gonna have to change that up, but we'll go on just like that. And then I bought 4 of these so I can do the same on the rear. so that should be good. Yeah, I think, oh, and then I got some shock tabs, because these will be too far back, so I'll weld them on somewhere over here, maybe like this. Not sure how it'll go on. I need to get the axle in first before I decide what I'm going to do with these, and also what size of shock I need as well. So this should be my little update. And then today, my buddy Nick, who got the sweet Delica, is coming over, and we're gonna try and make it run as is while we wait for other parts that he ordered. So I may video a little bit of that while we're working on the Delica. It should be good. It'll be fun to try to figure out the diesel stuff on it. Okay, we picked this up 2 days ago, and after about, how long did it take us? 20 minutes of messing with it. Wait for it to heat up. And it starts. Did not need much at all. I think it just got some air in the lines. Yeah. And now, gotta deal with this janky crap. Yeah. All right, first drive. Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sick of filming me grinding, so I just decided to get everything all done. It's all ground down, welded the plate on just like the other side. Underside, it's all cut off, throw some paint. So yeah, I think this will officially be the last part of this video, and then the next part I think I will be starting to make brackets and getting the axle in where it's supposed to be. Really excited about that. I am ready for this thing to be on 4 wheels again. Yeah, I'm very excited, and see you guys next time.